Elevate your Webflow site's immediate impact and user engagement with a stunning custom top bar. And here's exactly how to build one in under 2 minutes. First, navigate to your Webflow project and head to the designer. We'll be adding a new element to our existing page or a global element if you want it on every page. From the Add Elements panel, drag and drop a section onto your canvas. This will serve as the container for our top bar. Let's rename this section to Top Bar for clarity in our navigator. With the top bar section selected, we'll configure its basic styling in the Style panel. Set its height to a fixed value. 50 pixels is a great starting point, but feel free to adjust then. Set the width to 100%. Next, within the Layout tab, set the display to Flexbox. This will allow us to easily arrange the content. Inside, set Justify to Center and Align to Center for perfect centering of your elements later. Now for some visual appeal in the Backgrounds tab, choose a color that complements your brand. A subtle, eye-catching hue often works best for announcements. Inside your top bar section, drag a text block element. This is where your announcement or promotion will go. Click into the text block and type your message. Something like limited time offer 20% off everything is a good example. With the text block selected, let's style our text in the Style panel. Choose a clear and readable font. Adjust the font size, weight, and color to ensure it stands out. For contrast, dark text on a light background or vice versa is usually ideal. To make your announcement actionable, add a button element next to your text. You can style this button to match your brand, perhaps adding a call to action like Shop Now. To give your top bar a little breathing room, select the top bar section again in the Style panel. Under Spacing, add a small amount of padding. 10 pixels top and bottom is a good starting point. For a refined touch, select the top bar section, and in the Borders tab, add a very subtle bottom border. A 1 pixel solid border with a light gray color can add definition without being overpowering. And there you have it. A functional and stylish top bar designed to capture attention and enhance your website's user experience. Publish your changes and watch your announcements get noticed.